Hello, hello. So I am coming to you with an unboxing. If you would like to join me, then stay tuned. So this is a slightly different unboxing. I don't know if y'all are familiar with this maker, but this is an unboxing from Scriptorium pens. Renee is the girl. I do want to preface this with if you are interested in purchasing from this company, especially after you guys see my unboxing, there is a wait list and it's 2 years. So just be prepared if this is something that you want, that you are most likely going to need to wait 2 years before you will actually get it, which is an exorbitant amount of time, but hopefully, and I'm pretty sure, it is worth the wait. So you guys will get a first-hand look with me. So there's this like really cool holographic sticker. Then this looks like a cup coaster and a magnet. Yep, a little magnet. And then this is her information right here. And so you would go to this website or any of these handles from her and you can contact her directly. So that's that. That's kind of a neat, different looking little business card. So I like it. Okay, so let's get right to it. No need for this to be a painfully long unboxing. All right. So she has them in this little plastic sleeve. We'll start with this first. And you slide these open somewhat difficultly, but that's a good thing. And so this is the first one. I'm not sure which one this is, but okay. So this is a Wordsmith, and I can tell you that I really super like the weight of this one already. So this particular one, and she does a number of different like customs. These are like bronze inlays, overlays, I'm not really sure what you call them, but they're basically like rings that she puts in there. So I did, and so these were very specific things that I asked for because I really like the Leonardo's that have a similar, and then one on the end, and then just the regular cap. This is the primary manipulation 4, so it is definitely more of a pastel-y type colors, but it's pretty rainbowy to me. So I mean, I like it. That's kind of like what I was going for there. And then the nib, as you can see, I believe I got broads on all of them. I'm just looking to see, or maybe I got mediums. I guess I got mediums. So there is that one. And so this is called a Wordsmith. That's the physical shape. It has so let's just, I'm not going to ink these up and kind of do all that fun stuff. Just kind of like weight wise, it's really nicely balanced. As you can see, my hands are kind of small, so the pen itself is fairly small. It can be posted, but I don't generally like writing with posted pens. I like just, I like, this for me is perfect because I just like the smallness of the pen, and I just don't feel, I feel like, you know, you can just like write really easily without feeling like it's too heavy in your hand, and it won't tire you out. So that is number 1, and that is Primary Manipulation 4 from Carolina Pen Company, and done obviously by Scriptorium Pens, Renee, and this one is in the style Wordsmith with the additional rings and the pen clip. Okay, so that is the first one. And then we will open this. Like I said, 2 years, so if you order it and you have 2 years to save for it, it's actually not that big of a deal, if you think of it that way. Okay, and so then this is the second one. I'm excited to see this one in person. Ooh, that is very pretty. So it's sometimes when they send you pictures, it's really difficult to have an idea of what it was gonna look like. I felt like in the pictures it looked like it might be too black, but if I can really get this to show up. So this again is a Carolina Pen Company pen blank, and this particular one is called Abalone, and it is very kind of like a mother of pearly-esque. It has that kind of mother of pearl kind of shine and shimmer in there. This particular model is called the Lydll. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It's Lydll, I think. And then she kind of did that little touch there with the lighter color, which is kind of cool as a contrast. I like that. So pretty. And this one's a little bit heavier than the Wordsmith bottom, but still a really nice balance there. And I went with just the silver this time, and this one is a broad, and that's just really cool. If I can get you guys to, if I can get that to zoom in for you. See how like that piece of the white and then it just sort of like meshes in there? So neat. And so these pens come with a standard converter, as you can see there. So, you know, basically like most that have the converters, you just kind of screw that on. I like the, what do I want to say? Smallness. That's not the word I'm looking for. I like her threads, that they're just kind of like sleek, and it's not something that I feel like if my hand touches too much that it's gonna really bother me. They're, you know, it's kind of like just a low profile thread, and you can kind of see it there, but not too crazy. That is an absolutely gorgeous pen. And so this one doesn't have any kind of pen clip or roll stop or anything. So you do have to be careful with these pens because, as you can see, they can roll off your desk very easily and you can break them, and that's not good. So you do have to definitely be careful, but some of my favorite ones that I have are like that, and I don't generally use the clips anyway. So, so there is that. I can just get so pretty, you guys. absolutely beautiful. So there they are. So I just wanted to share those with you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.